Welcome to this GoBright functional configuration video looking at the administration area of the GoBright application. This is where sensors such as Connects, Interacts and NFC stickers can be added to the GoBright environment. If we go into our GoBright application, from our main dashboard area we can go up to the three lines which are at the top right hand corner. As an administrator, you'll have access to the admin tools, and there you can see we can add in those GoBright Connects or NFC stickers or the GoBright Interacts in its own menu. If we're looking at the GoBright Connects and NFC stickers, then there are different ways in which we can add those sensors into the GoBright platform. The easiest way would be to scan the address by NFC, so we just hold our phone over the particular sensor and that would populate this GoBright environment and you'd select the desk that you are at. The other ways require you to put in the ID separately for the sensor concerned, whether it's a Connect or whether it's for an NFC sticker. If you're looking at the GoBright Interacts, then we can set the Interacts up. We can be scanning a QR code to commission the Interact, and it's worth setting up a preset in the GoBright portal before we start doing that. You can set a commissioning preset up within the GoBright application itself, but I say advise doing that within the portal. So that's how, using the admin tools within GoBright, you can start to add in sensors to the GoBright environment.
Thank you for watching this GoBright functional support video. If further support is required, please go to our website gobright.com and visit our help centre.